Mute कर लो और
ठीक है अभी ठीक है
नमस्कार
ठीक है Ladies and gentlemen, we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ratnam, former Chief Justice, High Court of Himachal Pradesh. Now I seek permission of my Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, to commence the proceedings. I request my Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, to kindly address.
My esteemed brother judges, sister judge, Mr. Ashok Sharma, Advocate General, Mr. Ramakant Sharma, Chairman, Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Mr. Nareshwar Singh Chandel, President, HP High Court Bar Association, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Sharma, Assistant Solicitor General of India, senior advocates and other members of the Himachal Pradesh High Court Bar Association, Registrar General, other registrars, officers and staff of the High Court and friends from media. This virtual full court reference is being conducted to mourn the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice Vishwanathan Ratnam, former Chief Justice of this High Court, who left for heavenly abode at the age of 88 years on 23rd May 2020 at his residence in Mylapore, Chennai. Justice Ratnam is survived by his wife. His lordship was born on 1st August 1932 in village Manarakudi, district Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. He passed BSc, LLB and was enrolled as an advocate on 25th July 1955. He started practice on civil side, virginal and appellate, and also handled writs and labor matters in the Madras High Court. Justice Ratnam became the member of the executive committee of the Tamil Nadu Legal Aid Board. On 25th January 1979, he was appointed as a permanent judge of Madras High Court. His lordship also remained as acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court with effect from 15th November 1992. His lordship was elevated as a Chief Justice of this High Court on 29th January 1994 and retired as such on 1st August 1984. During this period, Justice Ratnam was also took an additional charge of the Governor of Himachal Pradesh from 10th July 1994 to 30th July 1994. Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ratnam was a distinguished judge who had a profound knowledge of all branches of law. Besides this, he was a deeply religious and God-fearing person. He was highly self-disciplined and hardworking. His lordship, on the advice of Sri Shankaracharya Jagadguru, had got constructed a Shodas Ganapati temple and also Navagraha temple in the periphery of the Sankat Mochan temple at Simla. With the passing away of Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ratnam, we have lost a fine gentleman, a great human being, a great jurist, and a great personality. It is not only a loss to the bereaved family members, but also to the entire legal fraternity. On behalf of the High Court, my brother judges, sister judge, and my own behalf, I offer my heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family and pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul in the heavenly abode.
Now I request Sri Ashok Sharma, Learned Advocate General, to please address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice Mr. Justice Lingappa Narayana Swamy, Honorable Mr. Justice Trilok Singh Chauhan, Honorable Mr. Justice Vishwa Singh Thakur, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Singh Thakur, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Mohan Goel, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandra Bhushan Barowalia, Honorable Mr. Justice Anup Chitkara, Honorable Ms. Justice Luxna Reval Dua, Shri Ramakant Sharma, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Shri Nareshwar Singh Chandel, President HP High Court Bar Association, Shri Rajesh Kumar Sharma, Assistant Solicitor General of India, Honorable retired judges, members of the bar, distinguished guests, officers and officials of the registry who had joined through video conferencing, officials from electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise of late Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ratnam, former Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court, who breathed his last on Saturday, 23rd May 2020 in Chennai at the age of 87 years. Late Mr. Justice V. Ratnam was born on 1st August 1932. After passing BSc LLB, my Lord was enrolled as an advocate of Madras Bar on 25th July 1955. My Lord started practice on civil and labor matters in the Madras High Court. My Lord had a roaring practice as a civil appellate side lawyer in the Madras High Court. My lord also remained the member of the Executive Committee of Tamil Nadu Legal Aid Board. On 25th January 1979, his lordship was elevated as a permanent judge of Madras High Court. On 15th November 1992, my lord assumed the charge of acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court. On 29th January 1994, my lord was elevated as Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court. My lord was a legal luminary with a very sharp intellect, and my lord had rendered several landmark judgments, and my lord is known for erudition and his firm discipline in court. A generation of lawyers owe their deep knowledge of civil law to him. His practice was not to allow junior advocates to seek adjournments for the cases due to absence of their senior lawyer, but to make them read the papers in the court and make their submissions. This built the confidence and honed the skills of many young lawyers who are now leading lawyers and judges. My lord retired as Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court on 1st August 1994. While serving as the Chief Justice, my lord also discharged the functions of Governor of Himachal Pradesh with effect from 10th July 1994 to 30th of July 1994. His lordship had a vast experience of law, and his legal acumen had made a great impression on the members of the bar. Judgments rendered by him as Chief Justice of this court give ample testimony to his legal acumen. The Almighty has been very kind to him. With deep remembrance, the personality of my lord is recapitulated in the following quote. I quote, "When someone you love becomes a memory, the memory becomes a treasure." And I again quote, "Some people come into our lives, leave footprints on our hearts, and we are never the same." Unquote. The death of Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ratnam has caused immense loss not only to his family, but also to the legal fraternity, which will be difficult to fill. On behalf of the state of Himachal Pradesh, my colleagues, and on my own behalf, I convey my heartfelt condolences to the members of bereaved family and pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul in the heavenly abode and strength to the family to bear this unbearable loss.
Yes, Arji.
Now I request Shri Ramakant Sharma, Learned Chairman, Bar Council, Himachal Pradesh, to kindly address.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Judges of the High Court, Learned Advocate General, State of Himachal Pradesh, Learned President of the HP High Court Bar Association, Learned Assistant Solicitor General of India, Learned Senior Advocates, Learned Registrar General and other registrars, ladies and gentlemen. With a heavy heart and sad feelings, I address this condolence meeting on behalf of the Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh and the entire legal fraternity of the state to pay our humble tribute and homage to the memory of late Honorable Mr. Justice Vishwanathan Ratnam, who breathed his last on 23rd May 2020. Sir Walter Scott has immortalized the reality of human life by his famous lines, I quote, "And come slow or come he fast, it is but death who comes at last," unquote. This is the destiny of every person born on the earth. Honorable Justice B. Ratnam was born on 1st August 1932, and after doing his BSc LLB, he got himself enrolled as an advocate on 25th of July 1955. He started his practice in civil and labor matters in the Madras High Court. Justice V. Ratnam became the member of the Executive Committee of the Tamil Nadu Legal Aid Board. Honorable Justice Ratnam was elevated as permanent judge of the Madras High Court on 25th January 1979. He was appointed as acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court on 15th November 1992 and was elevated as Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court on 29th January 1994 and retired as such on 1st August 1994. He also took charge as Governor of Himachal Pradesh on 10th July 1994 till 30th July 1994 for 19 days. Honorable Justice B. Ratnam was a great philanthropist who would not disclose the charity he did. He was a humanitarian judge and had a towering personality. He constructed the Lord Ganesha Temple at Sankat Mochan, Shimla. A long career in the legal field gave wide experience to Justice Ratnam. He was a refined judge, and his knowledge is reflected in various judgments given by him. He was an honest and upright judge and was very helpful to the junior lawyers. He always maintained the dignity and decorum of the court, and it was a great pleasure for the advocates to appear and argue cases in his court. With his death, we have lost a great legal luminary and a noble person. I, on my behalf, as well as on behalf of the entire legal fraternity of the state of Himachal Pradesh, pay heartfelt condolences and pray to the Almighty to give eternal peace to the departed soul and courage to the members of the family to bear the irreparable loss.
Now I request Shri Nareshwar Singh Chandel, London President, High Court Bar Association, to kindly address.
My Lord Honorable Chief Justice Lingappan my Lord Justice Loken Chauhan, my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Sureshwar Singh Thakur, my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Singh Thakur, my Lord Honorable Justice Neem Sharma, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandrabhushan Barwania, Honorable Mr. Justice Khara, Honorable Mr. Justice Joseph Rawal, Shri Ashok Sharma ji, Learned Advocate General Himachal Pradesh, Raman Sharma ji, Chairman Bar Council Himachal Pradesh, Adi Sharma, Learned Additional Solicitor General, respected members of the Bar, Registrar of Staff. We are assembled today to pay homage to great soul of former Chief Justice Shri Vishwanathan Ratnam. The unusual hand of God has withdrawn from our Yes. Lordship Justice Vishwanathan Ratnam, former Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court and former Governor of Himachal Pradesh, left for heavily for 2020 in Chennai. He was 87. He was battling with age-related illness for quite some time. Lordship is survived by his wife Padmani Ratnam and daughter Uma Ratnam. Justice Ratnam was born in 1932 in Chennai. He passed BSc LLB. Enrolled as an advocate on July 1955. He started practicing multiple labor matters in Madras High Court. Justice Ratnam became the member of the Tamil Nadu Appellate Court. On January 1979, he was appointed as a permanent judge of Madras High Court, and on 15th November 1992, he also took charge of acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court. Justice Ratnam was elevated to the post of Chief Justice of Himachal High Court on 29 January 1994. And during his tenure as Chief Justice, he also took charge as Governor of Himachal Pradesh. Justice Ratnam retired as Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court on 1st August 1994, thereafter settled in Chennai. His Lordship was a man of and was of a sound judicial temperament and was firm in his decisions. Lordship was a judge of nature and anxious to do the justice in every case that came before him. Lordship was always anxious to rise to the challenges needed, to sacrifice his comfort and leisure and otherwise. Apart from exceptional and unblemished judicial record, my Lord was very religious. My Lord was disciple of Jagadguru Shankaracharya of Kanchi Pitham under the blessing of Jagadguru Shankaracharya. My Lord constructed and loved the temple at Sankat Shimla from his savings. For this act of his, he is being remembered by the residents of Shimla and others visiting the temple and would be remembered for the times to come. Honorable Justice Ratnam was a pious soul. I, on my behalf and on behalf of Himachal Pradesh High Court Bar Association, convey sincere condolences to Srimati Padmini Ratnam and all other members of Lordship Justice Ratnam family. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you.
I request Shri Rajesh Kumar Sharma, Learned Assistant Solicitor General of India, to please address.
My Lord, the Chief Justice Sri Lingappa Narayan Swami ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Trilok Singh Chauhan ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Sureshwar Thakur ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Singh Thakur ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Mohan Goyal ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandrabhushan Barwalia ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Anup Chitkara ji, Honorable Mrs. Justice Jyotsna Riwal Dua ji, Ashok Sharma ji, Advocate General Sri Ramakant Sharma ji, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Sri Nareshwar Singh Chandel ji, President High Court Bar Association, Honorable former judges, members of the Bar Council, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have gathered here to pay our homage to the departed soul, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ratnam. Honorable Justice V. Ratnam was born on 1st August 1932 in Chennai, and after doing BSc LLB, Justice V. Ratnam enrolled as advocate at Madras Bar on 25th July 1955. During lucrative practice in Madras High Court, he had assumed the charge as an executive member of the Tamil Nadu Legal Aid Board before being elevated to the bench as permanent judge of Madras High Court on 25th January 1979. Served as acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court in 15th November 1992 and was appointed Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court on 29th January 1994 and remained as such up to his demitting the office on 1st August 1994. During his tenure as Chief Justice of High Court of Himachal Pradesh, he has also been a acting Governor of the state. And after demitting the office, Justice V. Ratnam chose to settle down in Chennai. Justice V. Ratnam passed away in Chennai on Sunday, 24th May 2020, at the age of 87 years. In life, Justice V. Ratnam lived his values of judicial aloofness and uphold the dignity and respect of his office at all times. He was a man of impeccable dignity and unimpeachable treatment. On his death, the legal fraternity has lost a legal luminary which has created a void which cannot be filled easily. I, on my behalf and on the behalf of my colleagues from the Office of Assistant Solicitor General of India, pay our tribute to the departed soul and pray the Almighty that departed soul may rest in peace in heaven and get moksha, for which all of us pray. Further, pray to the Almighty to give strength to the family members of the vivid family to bear the loss.
I request my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to announce 2 minutes silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul.
Yes, as a mark of respect, maintain 2 minutes silence.
I seek permission of my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to close the proceedings.
Yes, it is closed.
Proceedings are closed.